Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna see the recipe of the spicy chicken pepper fry. These are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now without further ado, let's get started. So heat a pan, add 2 dried red chillies, about 1 spoon of black pepper, about 1 spoon of cumin or jeera, 1 spoon of fennel seeds or somp. Now roast it on low to medium flame until it turns aromatic or slightly changes color. Now after it completely cools down, grind it into a fine powder. Now in the same pan, add some oil. Add 1 spoon of cumin or jeera. Add 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onion. Saute it for a minute. To this add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 spoon of Garam Masala. Just saute it. Now to this add 500 grams of chicken. Just saute it for a minute or two. Now to this add the coarse powder that we just grinded. Now mix everything well. Now add about half a glass of water. Bring it to a boil. Now close the lid and cook it on low to medium flame for about 15 minutes. Now add some salt as per your requirement. Just mix it well. Now close the lid and cook it again for about 15 minutes. If you feel the chicken is not cooked, you can add some water and cook it again. Now saute until the water dries up. Now add half spoon of black pepper powder and some chili powder. Add some curry leaves and just mix everything well. And that's it. It's such a simple recipe. Do try this at home and let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.